The demands of the Boro leaders were as unrelenting as they were belligerent.
The basic truth is that this Assam government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic packages or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalked out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam, and creation of separate state of Bodo.
Boro is not like that organization, because probably know that before election they destroyed some file and they dismissed the two raw official also. Then why they dismissed them?
It is not true. It is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has sent his words now. He himself has said that Raw has dissociated from APSU now. He said, and Raw did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is Raw spent 3 crores of rupees in APSU movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, these money that is spent or, these things are not documented. So you obviously will not have receipts or thing, but...
No. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true.
In this atmosphere of charge and countercharge, a moot point remained. The tribals in Assam were alienated and a new dimension had been added to Assam's turbulent politics. The Bodo found only the genuine grievances of the tribals were addressed. Meanwhile, however, the Bodo leaders were adamant that nothing short of Bodo land was acceptable to them.
And our thing is we must clearly accept Bodo land, we are not going to accept it.
Bodo land is the only thing that you're going to accept?
Yes.
And if Bodo land is not given to you?
There will be struggle.
For how long?
Continuously. Till it is accepted. Yes, we are ready to fight.
And how will you fight?
We'll have to menace.
Will you have violence?
Anything else?
Will you go underground?
Not that. Not that.
Will you take help of countries bordering India?
No. We don't have
So
society.
your fight will be within the Constitution of India?
Yes, definitely. We are very much democratic and constitutional. We are demanding only the constitutional provision of Article 2, 3 and 4 of Indian Constitution.